welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a super quick, easy look with the Anastasia Beverly Hills NORVINA palette. I absolutely love this palette. It has all of my favorite colors in it. So we are going to dive in with a quick, easy, fast look for you today. So all my makeup's done, my lids are primed, and we're gonna get right into it. So first I'm gonna start with the color here called Passion, and I'm honestly just gonna take my finger and get a little bit packed onto my finger and put it all around the lid. So now it's packed around mostly the outside of my lid, leaving a little bit of a bare spot in the middle. So now we're gonna take the color Love on this flat brush and basically just pack it in the middle and over top of the color we already did. Now that we got those two colors on the lid, what I'm going to do is take a larger blending brush and just kind of blend it out on the top. I'm not necessarily making like a winged look, but just kind of blending it into the crease so that it looks a little bit more natural. So now that we have it blended out, it looks a little bit better. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this small brush, I'm going to spray it with my e.l.f. setting spray to get a little damp. And then I'm going to take the color Rose Gold, this one, and I'm going to take a little bit on the brush and basically just pack it in the middle. So now we got that little halo effect in the middle. I think it's so cute. I wore this makeup the other day and I got so many compliments on it. It just is so cute and a little makes your eyes pop. So what I'm gonna do to finish it off, my NYX glitter shadow in Girls Talk, and I'm gonna take the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, take the flatter end, and just really pack it into the corners of my eyes and bring it up onto that pink. So now the highlight's on, the look is really coming together, but to finish off the look, we're gonna add some mascara. So I'm using my Maybelline Lash Sensational, and that will finish the look. There we go, mascara is on and it looks so cute. I hope you guys enjoyed my super quick, super easy, super cute Anastasia Beverly Hills NORVINA palette look. I'll put the colors I used down below, and make sure you leave a like, a comment, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!